women workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party are protesting near the Chief Minister's residence after Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MP Swati Maliwal had listed a phone call to the Delhi police station alleging assault. Now, later on, Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh had confirmed that an assault had taken place at the residence of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and it was done by his PA Bibab. Now, this of course is the latest development that we're tracking for all of you viewers. You can see right there visuals of the women workers, women cadre of Delhi BJP protesting. Remember viewers, Sanjay Singh had also stated that Arvind Kejriwal has taken cognizance of the matter and appropriate action will be taken against Bibab Kumar. Meanwhile, my colleague Mehendi Garg joins us on the broadcast with further details. Mehendi, over to you. What's happening on the ground?
Well, Pia, a few minutes earlier, the Delhi BJP was protesting in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence, and right now we are in front of Arvind Kejriwal's residence. And a few minutes earlier, there were a lot of female protesters and the Karyakartas of the Delhi BJP, and also the Mahila Morcha Adhyaksh Richa Pandey Mishra was here, and they were continuously protesting to say things like Arvind Kejriwal should resign from his post of Chief Minister, because after all the controversies that we are seeing from the past one day, that Swati Maliwal has put serious allegations over Arvind Kejriwal's PA Vaibhav, that he has misbehaved with her, and she also made a phone call in the police station. But after that phone call, she is untraceable right now. So in all those controversies in between, in the mid of all those controversies, Delhi BJP is very active right now, and they are asking for Swati Maliwal's justice, and they are protesting for the justice of Swati Maliwal. And right now, as visuals that we also shot regarding this, there were a lot of female protesters that were asking for Kejriwal's resignation. And when we talked to them and we asked that Sanjay Singh has taken cognizance about this issue, and Sanjay Singh has claimed that Arvind Kejriwal will take care of this issue, and we agree, if Vaibhav has misbehaved with Swati Maliwal, then serious charges will be made against him and a proper decision will be made against him.
But when we spoke to them, what did they tell you? What did the women workers of the BJP tell you while you were speaking to them a while back?
Well, yes, Pia, while talking to them, all the female protesters said that they do not trust Aam Aadmi Party, Kejriwal or Sanjay Singh. Whether right now they are saying that they will take a serious action against Vaibhav, the PA of Arvind Kejriwal, but Delhi BJP Mahila Morcha Adhyaksh and also all the protesters were not at all convinced with the sayings of Sanjay Singh when he said in the press conference that that this matter will be taken care of. But Delhi BJP is not at all convinced, and they are saying that if nothing happens in this case, or Aam Aadmi Party doesn't take any action against him, then they will protest again, and they will do much more protesting against Aam Aadmi Party and also Arvind Kejriwal, because it's about a female, it's about a women rights and the respect of a woman, and somebody and nobody cannot misbehave with a woman like that. All these things have been said by all the female protesters that were here, and those were protesting against Arvind Kejriwal and overall the Aam Aadmi Party over this controversy. Over to you, Pia.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.